Morning student, myself Kehar from Javtri Academy 2CC Class 12 Subject BST Chapter 2nd Principles of Management. Here we will see very important techniques of principle of management. Fourth one is work study. In work study that have been categorized into four parts. First one is method study, thereafter motion study and time study and fatigue study. In method study, what types of method have been used. In motion study, how the movement of the worker have been identifying this particular thing. And time study, what times have been uh, completed for a particular work. Fatigue study, how we have been puzzled and how at what time have been provided for the rest. So first one is method study. Find out one best way to perform task. In this method study, which method will be more helpful for uh, perform more and more task, more and more output can become from which methods that have been analyzed. Next one is to minimize cost of production and maximize the quality and satisfaction. How it will be analyzed that minimum cost and maximum output can be for which methods, and quality also maximize, and the satisfaction of the customer have been also more and more. Thereafter motion study. In motion study, it will be study of movement of worker, how worker have been movement of worker from one place to another place, and that movement have been one productive or unproductive. If the movement is unproductive, thereafter how we have been stop that particular thing, and so that productive thing have been utilized. So thereafter eliminates unproductive or unnecessary movement to complete the job efficiency. If the uh, unproductive movement cannot be stopped, thereafter it will be reduce the job efficiency. Thereafter third, time study determine the standard time taken to perform a job by taking observation. It will be observed that what time have been taken for a completion of a work. If the time will be taken is more to complete the work, thereafter it will be reduced. Thereafter it show that worker is not effective, so it must be determined the number of worker to be employed. Thereafter frame suitable incentive scheme and determine labor cost. If the incentive schemes have been not good, thereafter the worker have been not do work with us, and they can be take opportunity to the other place. So it must be focus on the labor cost, and the incentive scheme must be changed time to time. Fatigue study means it will be a puzzled. If the worker have been tired and puzzled, thereafter he have been not do effective output. So in this, determine the amount and frequency of rest interval. It means how time can be provided to a worker, thereafter he can be uh, regain more and more stamina, more and more energy. So when worker feel tired, interval help to regain stamina. If the worker can do work more and more at the tired movement, he not do work with full energy. Thereafter the work output have been not effective, so result in increased productive. If we want to be increase more and more productive, thereafter we must be provide a time interval for their regained stamina. Okay, thank you very much.